Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Describe an area of science, biology, robotics, etc. that you are interested in and would like to learn more about. You should say which area it is, when and where you came to know this area, how you get information about this area, and explain why you are interested in this area. Being the science student, I am keen to learn different fields of it. Until my secondary education, I have got the basic knowledge. Though study every area is interesting, but one area of science that I find particularly fascinating and would love to learn more about is artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. This field has rapidly evolved over the past few decades and has become an integral part of various industries, including healthcare, finance, and even entertainment. AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines capable of mimicking human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, understanding complex concepts, and making decisions based on data. One of the most interesting aspects of AI is its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of information at a speed and accuracy that far surpasses human capability. What draws me to AI is its potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. For example, in healthcare, AI can assist doctors by analyzing medical records and suggesting potential diagnoses. In finance, it can predict market trends and optimize investment strategies. Moreover, AI is also being used in autonomous vehicles, which could significantly reduce traffic accidents and improve transportation efficiency. In teaching, it can bring fruitful results as teachers find it helpful, which makes the teaching-learning process easy. However, despite its immense potential, AI also raises several ethical and societal questions. Issues such as job displacement due to automation, privacy concerns, and the potential for AI to be used in harmful ways are critical areas that need to be addressed. I consider that if it is used smartly and in limit, then it can be advantageous. I am eager to delve deeper into the technical aspects of AI, such as machine learning algorithms and neural networks. Understanding these concepts would not only satisfy my curiosity but also equip me with the knowledge to contribute to this ever-growing field. I believe that by studying AI, I can be part of shaping a future where technology is used to enhance human life in meaningful ways.